Good evening. The old winter evenings are coming in, aren't they? Anyway, a little bit bored, and I thought I'd give you an update on that Volkswagen Turbo that I said was an ECU. Well, we sent it away and they couldn't fix it. So when it came back, I thought I'd have a little look and see what I could do. So I haven't got it, but as you can see, here's my hand, and I ended up finding it was that little capacitor. I checked all these ones here and put it all back together again. It must have been about 4 weeks ago now, I think, and it's still running, so we done well.